Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 48th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the recover, right? If you haven't heard that one, please look into that. Today we are going to discuss about the string functions. Okay, the standard library string, right? That is built in the Go, right? That string package is very helpful with the string related things, right? We can do many things by using that, right? I will teach you some of the things. After that, you can do the many examples by using the string package, right? Okay. This is the thing that we discussed in the last video, right? If you haven't read that, please look into that. Okay, I will remove uh, those things. Okay, right. I will teach you first, right? In here, there are lot of print statement. Due to that one, I will create a variable called p, right? That I will equal to the fmt dot println. Okay. Then we can simply use the p, right? And then we can type something here, right? This is actually alias, right? In here, what is the output? ChamiViews we can get that, right? I did this so because in here we are using many print statement, right? Then this line will be getting more lengthy. Because of that one, I am assigning that println value to the variable and I will use that. Okay, right. First, I will teach you string related some of the functions, right? Then you can do the example by your own, right? Then you can get a clear understanding. Okay. First, I will add the p, right? There's the inbuilt package, right? Strings, right? Dot. First, we will see contains, right? In here, when you are clicking, this is the control or command in Mac, right? You can see what this function does, right? In here, you can say contain report whether substring is within S, right? First, we want to pass the substring value, then we can pass the substring, right? It will return that that substring contains or not, right? Simply you can look that. Okay, I will add the S as test, and I want to test in this test package test string whether there is occur in ES, right? Okay, what is the output here? In here, you can see it will return the true, right? Because ES is there, right? I will add the SS. What is the output now? It is not there. Then it will return false. Okay, I will remove this part. Okay, this is what contains, right? Okay. Then I will teach you. There are so many things, right? You can see all the options, right? What are the functions that has in the string package, right? There are many functions there, right? We'll add another thing. Okay, count. Okay. In here also, I will pass the test and I want to get the count of t, right? T. In here, there are two t's there, right? Then it will return 2. What is this? Count, right? Likewise, we can uh, do the things, right? I will do some more things, right? We will see what are other functions that we have here. Dot. I will get some repeat. Okay. If I want to repeat the C value in 5 times, right? 5 or 7 times, we can use this, right? Repeat. I will teach you one another thing. String to lower, right? In here, if we are providing some string, right, it will give the simple letter word, right? This is the ToLower, right? If we have the ToLower, then also we have the ToUpper, right? We can test that one as well. ToUpper, right? Likewise. There are so many functions there, right? I am not going to teach you all the things, right? Here you can simply going through all the things, right? Then you can get a clear understanding of that one, right? Because there's a documentation they are also providing, right? In here, by using the comment, they are providing what this function does, right? In here you can see if we use the ToLower, we can get all the letters simple way, and if we use the ToUpper, we can get all the letters in the capital, right? In here we have used the repeat function. By using it, we can repeat something, right? If we want to repeat CS, right, we can get the CS repeated in the 5 times, right? We'll check what we can use another things. Strings dot split. Okay. In here, if we provided some value, right, like in this say, like in this way, I want to split this string by this minus value, right? So we can do that like in this way, right? This is what is split. What is the output now? It will return this kind of answer, right? In here, it has splitted this string by minus value, right? Then we can get a slice. Okay, in here also you can see we have used the strings in several times, right? If you want to short this form, we can simply add some value here, right? I don't want to use the strings in every time. Instead of that, I can use S here, right? In here, we can use S instead of strings, right? Like in this way. We'll replace all the things. Okay. Now what is the output? Same output, right? We do not want to repeatedly use the strings likewise, right? Okay. There are so many functions there, right? You can simply going through all the things, right? If you have any kind of question, please put those things to the comment section, then I will teach you those things as well, right? Okay, these are things that I want to teach you today, right? This very helpful library, right? You can use for doing your works with the strings. Okay, if you learn new things, please subscribe to my channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.